Hi guys, today I want to show you how to get free copyright images from Shutterstock.com. First, head over to Shutterstock.com and then search for your image here, for example, sun. Here, if you want to download this image, it's going to be with watermark and it's paid. So we have a trick here. Just copy the link of the image from here and go to this website, nohat.cc. You must be logged in first, okay? And then go to find MD Stock Pass, the link of the image you just copied from Shutterstock. Click on Search. The website found the image. Click on Find Stock. You should see this button. Click to view, click on it. You will have your image. Open it in New tab. And here you can download your image without watermark or even paying for it. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.